Hey girlies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I package my orders for my business. So if you're interested in those type of videos, please keep watching. Okay girls, so pay attention. These items, I got them very cheap in Amazon, and it's the bubble mail wrappers, and then it's these little baggies where you can put the products inside, whatever it is you're selling. So I got these two from Amazon. I'm gonna link them down below. I'm not getting any commission whatsoever. I'm just helping a sister out. Okay, and also I wanna say that these make a difference in your packages, and they're so cheap. They're only $1. I got these at a Dollar Tree, I believe. Yeah, Dollar Tree, and they were only $1, and you only have to apply just a little bunch into the little baggie, and it just makes everything look so much nicer and cute. Now I'm gonna get started with my order. When I start to do any order, even if it's just one, I like to keep my area clean, so I use a disinfectant wipe just to wipe down my entire desk and keep this place sanitary. And I also switch out my gloves. The next thing that I did is I brought over all of my items onto the little table. These are all completely clean, and I'm taking one of the shimmer sprays and I took it out of its small little package, and I'm making sure that everything's okay with the bottle before I apply my labels. Now these labels are from Avery. I recommend if you decide to buy any labels, you get them from there. I think they look very professional. These are transparent but glossy, and I think they look so pretty, and I'm just simply gonna apply one of these onto the little shimmer spray bottle. This is the last item for this order. It's the lip gloss Delphi. This retails at $8. This is also linked down below. Now I'm gonna be grabbing my little baggie, and I'm gonna be putting in some shredded paper. You only need a small amount because these little squiggly papers, you just grab them and kind of mess with them with your fingers, and they start to like expand, so it makes it look like a bunch. And this is actually very affordable. Like I said, it's only $1 for this whole bag, and this could be for a lot of orders. Just look at the small amount that I applied right here, and look at how I'm kind of like wiggling them around, and they just expand. You see? Now I'm taking some construction paper. This was from Walmart. You guys can use your thank you cards or do what I do. I like for my customers to know that I'm on top of my orders, so I write my own personal thank you note to let them know that I'm grateful for them purchasing any of my items. So as you guys can see here, I'm gonna write down my note. This is exactly what I say in my note. Hi, thank you for your purchase. We look forward to hearing from you again. And then I put a little line, and then I put Emily with a heart. Or sometimes I put XOXO. I like to shake the little note before I put it inside the baggie, just so that the ink dries and it doesn't go all over the place. So I place the little card in the back of my items only because I want them to open it up and get excited to see the lip gloss or shimmer spray, whatever it is they bought, and then they notice the little card, because if they see the little card first, they're gonna try to throw it away. So this is how it should look right after. The first item that I like to put inside the bag is the heaviest. So in this case, it's the shimmer spray. I'm gonna bury it into the shredded paper because it can get bulky. So I make sure that the shimmer spray is deeply buried under the shredded paper before I put the other items in. And I also like to lean this towards one side so that it fits in the bubble mail wrapper bag because it's not that big. Then I put the lip gloss inside right next to it, and I close the little baggie. And this is what it should look like when it's all done. After I placed all of this into the little bag, I'm gonna take the bubble mail wrap or wrapper and I'm gonna take my favorite perfume. It's this YSL perfume, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit onto the bubble mail wrapper, and this just gives it that nice smell when they open it up. You know, who doesn't like stuff that smells good? I like to shake the bag until it dries up, just so that it doesn't mess up the little note that goes inside as well. And now I'm taking the small bag with the items and I'm gonna be sliding this inside the bubble mail wrapper. If you guys, it's up to you guys. You guys can get bigger ones, but I think these are like the perfect size for the items that I sell, which are mainly lip glosses and shimmer sprays for now. Once I know that all the items are secured inside, I take off this little paper so that I can close it up and it sticks. This is what I love about these mailer wrapper thingies, whatever they're called. And then I just close it up, and this is what it should look like when it's all done. Now for the final thing, my label. I'm having some issues with my Rollo label printer, so I used the regular one, and I'm gonna have to cut this small label that I printed out for this order, and I'm gonna have to tape this onto my packaging, which I do not like because I feel like it looks so unprofessional. But I need to fix my Rollo printer, and yeah, hopefully I can get that up and running again. But this is what the label looks like. I'm not gonna show you guys the address or my address. But yeah guys, this is how I package my orders. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below with any questions, or you guys don't forget to add me on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.